This is Justin Williams with Helping Hand Accounting Services. It is July and it is Minority Mental Health Awareness Month. Okay, so hey, I go to therapy too, so hey, it's a good thing. Make sure that y'all mentals is in order. All right, this month we are talking about tax fraud. Okay, one of the biggest things nowadays is tax fraud. I know a lot of you have heard about, hey, I can give you the max back, or I could give you X amount of dollars back based off of the amount of dependents you have. And there's other people that do a lot of finessing with tax credits, you could say, that are refundable credits. One of the biggest things I want everybody to know is that pay attention if the tax preparer on your copy of the return that it has the taxpayer's information at the bottom. A lot of times people end up not doing that, and that means that a lot of times they didn't use the proper tax software, and meaning that they use TurboTax, H&R Block, any of the free services, okay, to do your tax return. So now it looks like you did the tax return yourself. And this is something that you really want to be wary of, because let's say that I did your tax return and you had a $3,000 refund. Okay, you're happy with the fact that you got $3,000 back. The preparer be like, all right, I charge you $300 or something like that. So you expect to get about $2,700 back. That sounds fine, but the tax preparer then modifies your tax return to where you are getting possibly like $8,000 back, $10,000, $15,000, and they're only sending you 27, and they're pocketing the rest and making it the same as fees. Okay, so always make sure that you have a copy of your tax return after you file, because this is a growing concern. Because at the end of the day, what you're gonna do? Okay, you're gonna try to sue this person, but you don't know who they are, where their location. You don't have their social. You don't have address. In order to sue somebody, you have to have an address. Okay, and one of the biggest things also is when you sign off on that return, that means that you gave them permission to file that return that way. Okay, so that don't make it seem like, oh, well, if they finessed it, they're the ones that's going to go down. No, you will go down first, because the IRS wants their money back because you were not due that. Okay, so they're going to come after you to get their money back. And additionally, they will take legal actions against the preparer. So if you're looking for an honest tax preparer or somebody, a tax professional, just book a consult with me online, see how I do. I like to give out a lot of free information. So go online at www.hhasla.com. Everything is easier when you have a helping hand. Justin Williams, Helping Hand Accounting Services.